Good day, my dear future employer. My name is Lenny Pagador Mendoza, 36 years old. I live in Tagumbao, Herona, Tarlac City, Philippines. I am college graduate. I'm a Christian. I'm married with three children, ages 17, 6, and 5. My husband is a security guard. I am a domestic helper with 5 years of experience, previously working for families in Hong Kong, Festival City, Chateauneuf Territory. They are Chinese national, two adults and one child. They trusted me to take good care of their daughter and do household chores like cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and um, marketing. And I also take good care of two cats. Their mom and sir, I am responsible, hardworking, trustworthy, and fast learner and adaptable. I am eager to learn more new things like cooking. I am hoping that my skills and education will be a great assets to your household. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.